What's up, everyone? My name is Alex Padilla, the young bartender. It is Tiki Thursday time. Today for Tiki Thursday, we're going to be making something called Blackbeard's Ghost. Blackbeard's Ghost is a variation on Pirate Grog from Blackbeard's Galley in Newport Beach, California, not too far from me. Unfortunately, Blackbeard's Galley and a bunch of other restaurants and establishments from the era of Golden Tiki don't exist anymore. I wish I could travel back in time, before COVID and all that stuff, and visit all these tiki establishments, restaurants, bars that were super popular in Southern California. Unfortunately, good tiki is far and few between, but there's always some good spots to check out. But let's get started, shall we? First up, what we're gonna do is we're gonna do 1.5 ounces of orange juice. Oh no, spilling. Why not spilling? Okay. Then we're gonna do 1 ounce of fresh lemon juice. Orange juice all over my cutting board. Lucky me. So depending on the lemon, it could be anywhere from half a lemon like me to 1 whole lemon. All depends on the season and stuff. Let's get that out of our way. The fun part, the alcohol. Although this is sometimes alcoholic, sometimes not, this product, this Falernum, is alcoholic, very lightly, just to keep it, fresh. I'm using John T. Taylor's Velvet Falernum, one of the best Falernums. You can buy it is West Indies spice concoction that are vital to many tiki drinks. So we're gonna do 1 ounce of Velvet Falernum. Then we're gonna do 1/2 ounce of Apricot Liqueur or brandy. I'm using Rothman & Winter. One of the best apricot liqueurs out on the market. Then we're gonna do 1/2 ounce of Demerara Rum. You can also sub using dark Jamaican rum. I'm using Hamilton, my favorite. Then we're gonna do 1.5 ounces of light rum. I'm using Flor de Caña, extra dry, so 1.5 ounces of that. Okay. Now we're gonna add ice to our tin, crushed ice. Go. Combine our. Oh. It wasn't a lot that I spilled. Okay, we're gonna combine our tins and we're gonna shake. Not too long. And we're gonna pour. We're gonna pour unstrained to our rocks glass. We're gonna add a little bit more ice. Absolute fail. We're gonna get our spent lemon wheel. Stick that there. Get our sprig of mint. Give it a nice slap. Put in here our lemon. Get our biodegradable straw. And there we have it. Oh God, it's spilling. Blackbeard's Ghost. Let's give it a sip. Ooh. I forgot I had Ango. few drops of mango. Let's just kind of stir it into our drink. So many mistakes. Okay. Let's stick it in there. Sip it again. Okay. Very citrus. The citrus and apricot. Yummy, yummy. Definitely get a lot of that sweetness from the velvet falernum. Those different spices. And those different spices blend well with the Angostura bitters. And then of course you get that richness from Demerara Rum. Pretty good stuff. And then Flor de Caña, the light rum, is nice and dry. A little funky, but very pleasing sipper. Well, thank you for watching, everyone. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Make sure to hit subscribe and then hit that bell icon so you can get notifications whenever I post a brand new video. Stay safe, stay healthy, everyone. See you in the next one.